Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Last time I made one video. I think few people liked it, so they gave a comment. Video was good, content was good, so I am back with one of the weirdest video, which is same like this my hair, which is not at all sitting properly. So today's topic is like what are the weirdest thing I want in my life. So first one will get into backyard to my house in village. I'm having one of the neem tree, and once I got a dream there is so much of gold and property and jewelry is under that tree. So from childhood to now I am just torturing my dad, I am so strongly believing there is a gold, just dig, bring some JCB and dig it, surely we'll get some property. But unfortunately no one is believing me. So this is the first thing, I want to dig that place, and by God I will do that. And if I get a gold, I won't give to anyone. And the second one is in my childhood I am mad for sweet. Like you can see, I am more golu molu, so I am mad for sweet. I love sweet, every kind of sweet. So I used to torture my mom, I want to marry one of the sweet shopkeeper. So many girls will have a dream like I want engineer, I want doctor, I want this, that, but I was wanted sweet shopkeeper. Every time I used to go with my mom to any sweet shop, by seeing all those sweet I used to get mad. So second thing is I wanted to marry the sweet shopkeeper, which is by the day I passed on, and now no more I'm having those kind of desire. So third one is which is like a little recent one. I know few people like dog, few people like cat, but I am crazy for monkeys. I don't know why. This is the most recent craziest thing I want. So I want to keep monkey as my pet. So I'm torturing my dad, okay, leave the dog and all, we'll just bring one monkey, and he'll be so cute, and he'll do all work also, he'll just help. And I'm just pampering my dad to bring monkey, but dad is dad, he's not gonna listen it. So this is the third thing I want. I think I won't get it. So we'll get into the fourth thing. So fourth thing is in childhood once I saw while some dead bodies they were burying, and my crazy mind, I always used to think I want to dig that back, and I want to see still their dead bodies there or not, and still they are alive or not, why they are burying them, and what's actually happening after that. So over the time I was just thinking at least once in a life I want to do that. I want to go back to that place, I want to dig it, and I want to check still dead bodies are there or not. So this is the third thing. I know this is not the safe practice, this is not the safe thought to come into mind, but this was the one thing I wanted till I think I was 10 or 12-year old. So but right now I grow up, I can understand. So no more such desire, no more such things I want in my life. But that was the one. And another one, yeah, I think four are enough. So I am resuming back my video with my fifth point, as I forgot, which is I was obsessed with the smell of kerosene, petrol, phenyl. I don't know what was wrong with me and what is still wrong with me, but I am mad for those smells. I just love phenyl smell. Whenever mom is cleaning the floor, I'll be like a dog, roaming around like this. I'll just smell it. Even I'm passing through petrol pump, still I'll smell it, that petrol smell. I can tell you one incident which happened in my life. Hardly I was 1.5 years. So that time just in village, I think as you all are aware of that they will make food with kerosene and all. So simply my mom was simply my mom went to the one of the auntie for just chit chat, and I was still the same. Like I don't know, I was thirsty or still like in those days also I was having this craze of the smells. So I just went, and by god, I drank kerosene. I don't know, it was like one drop or one sip. I know after drinking I was like, but I drank it. So that you can see the craze of these smells and all in my life. So I am still crazy for that. So these are the 5 things which I desperately wanted, either in past or now. I can say monkey and these smell. Like I just want to smell those smells. That's all. So these, I think, monkey and these things are a recent one, and whichever are burying, then digging it back, then that gold thing, those are like childhood. Some, and epic one is marrying to sweet shopkeeper. Like I still love sweet. You can see by with this motu chicks, but I still love sweet. So I think these are the 5 weird thing I wanted in my life. Otherwise I still want in my life. So please comment below which are the weirdest thing you want in your life and you wanted to try at least. So comment below, subscribe to my channel, show some support. So and nothing much, like, share and subscribe, which is the thing I don't have to tell to you guys at least. So please like and share, show some support, so that I can come with the such content which is little weird, little crazy, and little, it's all about my life. I know I am not, even if like I just analyze my these 24-25 years of my life, I can dig it so many videos like this. So please show some support, and we'll meet next week hopefully. If you show support, we'll meet next week. Okay, thank you, and thank you so much. Nothing much.